I got a couple of balloons, but I want to stuff this first balloon into this box full of liquid nitrogen. So raise your hand if you think I can stuff this first balloon in the box. Alright? Raise your hand if you don't think I can do it. Alright, so there's always going to be skeptics. Alright, so we're going to try to prove them wrong. Oh, and you know what? There's nothing in this box yet. I got to put some of the liquid nitrogen in there. And we carry the liquid nitrogen around in this container here, and you guys can kind of step back a little bit more because I don't want to have this splashing on you. Yeah. Alright. What happened to my balloon? So floating around somewhere? Where'd it go? Yeah, the clear one. See it fly away?
Disappear.
No, how to get back here? Alright. So I'm going to stuff this in here. Let's see. Actually, you know what? This balloon is pretty big. I'm trying to... Should have made it smaller. Come on. Almost. Let's go. A little bit of splashback, but you know what? I was able to get it, so I was able to get one balloon in there. Like I said, I have a couple of balloons, so I got a second balloon right here. I'm going to try to stuff the second balloon in that box. Raise your hand if you think I can stuff the second balloon in there. Alright, raise your hand if you don't think I can do it. Alright, so there's always skeptics. Alright, oh, before I stick the second balloon in there, what's in this balloon right now? What's in the balloon? How about asking you? Brown. Alright, so it's not helium, then it would be floating, right? So it's just normal air. Somebody blew it up before the show started. So it's just normal air. Let's see. Sure, stuff this in here. But can anyone tell me what is the air made out of? Alright, so gases. Does anyone know the names of the different gases? The red. No? Stretching? No? Amazing. Okay, not steam. No. Not gasoline. Alright, so what do we need to breathe to survive? Yeah, so oxygen. Oxygen is one of them. So oxygen takes up 21% of the air we breathe. Something else takes up a lot more. What is it? Not carbon dioxide. Not carbon monoxide. Not the air. Any adults know? Nitrogen, yeah, nitrogen. So nitrogen makes up 78% of the air we're breathing, 21% oxygen, and less than 1% is everything else, carbon dioxide, argon, hydrogen, well, helium. But you know what? I got one last balloon here. It's pretty small. I'm going to try to stuff that in here. Who here doesn't think I can get this in there? Alright, that's right. No one doubts me. Good job. Alright. So as I'm trying to get this last balloon in here, does anyone have any guesses or theories of how I've been able to stick 3 pretty big balloons into this small box of liquid nitrogen? How's I able to do it? Yes?
Shrink it.
Okay, alright, maybe because I'm pushing it, I'm putting a lot of pressure on it, I'm able to squeeze it in there. Alright, what do you think's happening? Maybe the balloons are shrinking, alright, we got little tiny balloons in there. Melting, alright, we got a soupy balloony mess. It popped, maybe it popped in there, alright. Those are all great theories. Alright, well, there's only one way to find out the truth, and that's to do the experiment, which we just did right here, but also to observe the results. So let's see. Get the green one out, since it's nice. You know what, we made some balloon pancakes, but I want you to watch that real quick.
It's getting big.
What's happening to the balloon? What's happening to the balloon? What's happening? Yeah, it's blowing back up. So let me ask you a question. Did the air ever leave the balloon? No, definitely not. So does anyone have any new theories or new guesses as to what might be happening? Alright, so yeah, maybe it got squashed in there because we put a lot of pressure in there.